The next innovation in battery-powered hydraulic tools is here. Introducing the LS100L from Greenlee, the leader in knockout technology. Powered by a high-performance 18-volt lithium-ion battery, the LS100L is the fastest and most powerful punch driver on the market today. The 11-ton capacity of the LS100L can easily punch 6-inch conduit-sized knockouts in mild steel and up to 4-inch knockouts in stainless steel. In addition to being powerful, the LS100L is up to 2 times faster than any competitive battery-powered or drill-powered punch driver. Even with all that speed and power, the LS100L weighs less than other competing punch drivers. At 5.8 pounds, the LS100L was definitely designed with ergonomics in mind. The compact, lightweight tool features single trigger actuation for easy one-handed operation. Built-in smart technology automatically stops the punch after the knockout is complete, extending tool life and preventing damage to the punch and die. With a 360-degree rotating head, it fits into tight spaces and punches at any angle for improved ease of use and job site versatility. For even faster knockouts, the LS100L is compatible with the revolutionary Speed Punch knockout system. Speed Punch offers up to 3 times faster setup and disassembly compared to standard threaded knockouts. Together, the LS100L and Speed Punch provide the ultimate in speed and performance. The LS100L battery-powered punch driver is available in several knockout kits from half-inch to 4-inch conduit size, featuring Greenlee knockouts that are proudly made in Rockford, Illinois. Choose from ultra-fast speed punch kits, Slug-Buster kits for mild steel, or Slug-Splitter kits, specifically designed to cut better and last longer to meet the demands of punching through stainless steel. Additionally, the LS100L is available separately for use with your existing Greenlee knockouts. So get your hands on the new LS100L battery-powered knockout punch driver, the fastest, most powerful, and most versatile punching system on the market today.